In this video, I will show you how to cook vegetable omelette. First, boil the string beans for 8 minutes, and while waiting, let's start chopping the other vegetables. Slice the carrots thinly, then cut it into strips. Then dice it into small cubes, also known as brunoise. Soak the string beans in cold water after boiling to stop the cooking process. Then chop it into small pieces. Next is the spring onions. They all should look like this. Beat 3 eggs in a bowl. Then add the tofu and crush using a fork. After that, add all the chopped vegetables. Stir well for a few minutes. Then add salt and pepper to taste. After mixing thoroughly, we can start cooking. Make sure the pan is hot before putting in the mixture. Make it even, then cover for 3 minutes. After that, garnish it with thinly sliced carrots. Look how beautiful they are. And continue cooking for 5 minutes. Then flip it using a plate. Be very careful when flipping it to prevent damage. Cover and cook for another 8 minutes. Slice it, then serve while it's hot.